Yes, friends. Next is second part. Convert mixed friction into improper friction. Now opposite. Convert mixed friction into improper friction. For this, we'll consider one example. Our first number is 7/2 upon 11. Now, students, 7/2 upon 11 is a mixed fraction. Now, convert this mixed fraction number into improper fraction. For this, students, first step. First, we will multiply 11 by 7. First, we will multiply denominator with whole number. Then add numerator 2. First, we will multiply 11 multiplied by 7, then plus 2. Then at last write denominator as it is. 11 multiplied by 7, then plus 2 upon. Clear, friends? First, we will multiply denominator with whole number, then add numerator. 11 multiplied by 7, then plus 2. 11 multiplied by 7. Now solve it. 11 multiplied by 7, 77. Plus 2 upon 11. So our answer is 79 upon 11. This is the improper fraction. Yes, friends? Now we'll consider one more example, that is 7/3 upon 5. 7/3 upon 5. Using same method, first we will multiply 5 by 7. 5 multiplied by 7, then plus 3, and denominator 5 as it is. 7/3 upon 5. First we will multiply denominator with a whole number, then add numerator. 5 multiplied by 7, then plus 3. Now solve it. 5 7 are 35 plus 3 upon 5, that is 38 upon 5. Clear, friends? Yes, friends. Our next point is equivalent fraction. So first we will discuss what are equivalent fraction. Yes, friends. Equivalent fractions are those fractions if two and more than two fraction numbers having the same value, then these type of fractions are known as equivalent fraction. Yes, friends. If two and more than two fraction numbers having the same value, then our fraction numbers are equivalent. For example, 2 upon 5 and 10 upon 50. 2 upon 5 and 10 upon 50. Now convert 10 upon 50 into its simplest form. You can see, 20 and 50. 20 upon 50. Now convert 20 upon 50 into its simplest form. You can see 20 and 50. Both are multiple of 10. So divide numerator as well as denominator by 10. 20 divided by 10, we get 2. And 50 divided by 10, we get 5. So when we reduce this fraction number into its simplest form, we'll get the same value, 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5. It means 2 upon 5 and 20 upon 50. These two fraction numbers are equivalent fraction numbers. Questions? One more example, 2 upon 5 and 10 upon 25. Now convert 10 upon 25 into its simplest form. 10 and 25 both are multiple of 5. So divide numerator and denominator by 5. Now 10 divided by 5, we get 2. 25 divided by 5, we get 5. So we get the same value. It means 2 upon 5 and 10 upon 25. Both fraction numbers are equivalent. Clear, students? Now we discuss few questions of equivalent fraction. Now replace the filling space with an equivalent fraction. Our first number is 2 upon 3 is equal to blank and 50. Now fill this uh, space with equivalent fraction. Yes, friends. In this fraction, our denominator is 3 and our second fraction, our denominator is 15. Now students will think, by which number we multiply by 3 to get 15. To find the equivalent fraction, now think by which number we will multiply by 3 to get 15. 3 को हम किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें 15 मिल जाए? 3 3 5 are 15. So we will multiply by 3. 2 upon 3 multiply 5 and 5. We will multiply the same number, students. If we multiply denominator by 5, then we will also multiply numerator by 5. 2 upon 3, 5 upon 5. Now 5 2 are 10 and 3 5 are 15. So our answer is 10. 10 upon 15. Clear, students? Next is 4 12 upon 15. Yes, friends, now fill this space. Now, here our denominator is 4 and numerator we find. Now, think by which number we will divide by 15 to get this number. If we divide 12 by 4, 12 by 3, sorry, 3. So, divide by 3 by 3. 12 divided by 3 will get 4. 15 divided by 3 will get 5. So our answer is 4 upon 5 is equal to 12 upon 15. Yes, friends. Next point we'll discuss how we can reduce the fraction number into its simplest form. How we can reduce the fraction number into its simplest form. Simplest form. Simplest form means lowest term. Simplest form is lowest term. Now convert 12 upon 27 into its simplest form. To convert this, students, we will observe 12 and 27. 12 and 27 both are multiple of 3. 12 and 27 both are multiple 3. So we will divide numerator as well as denominator by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. 12 divided by 3, 4. And 27 divided by 3, we get 9. So our answer is 4 upon 9. Clear, students? Now, one more example. 150 and 350. 150 and 350. Yes, students. The last digit of numerator as well as denominator are 0. 150 last digit is 0 and here and denominator last digit is 10. It means 150 and 350 both are multiple of 10. So first we will divide by 10. 150 divided by 10 we will get 15 and 350 divided by 10 we will get 35. Yes, friends. Now once again, 15 and 35. 15 and 35. Once again, both are multiple of 5. So we will divide both numbers, numerator and denominator, by 5. 15 divided by 5, get 3. And 35 divided by 5 is 7. So our answer is 3 upon 7. Clear, students? Yes. Next we discuss comparison of fraction numbers. Our next point is comparison of fraction numbers. Comparison of fractions. Yes, friends. When we compare two fraction numbers, first we will note our fraction numbers are like fraction numbers or unlike fraction numbers. So when we discuss the comparison of fraction, we will consider two types. First, comparison of like fractions. Second is comparison of unlike fractions. First, comparison of like fractions. Comparison of like fractions. Yes, friends. As you know, if two and more than two fraction numbers having the same denominator, then our fraction numbers are like fraction numbers. Clear? For example, 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5. Now you can see denominator is 5, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5. These all fraction numbers are like fraction numbers. Like fractions. Yes, friends. Now, how we can compare these numbers? Suppose we have two numbers, 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Now, compare these numbers. First, we'll compare denominator. Denominator is same. Then we'll compare numerator. Numerator is 4 and 2. 4 is greater than 2. So, in like fraction, simply we compare numerator. Which number having greater numerator, whose is greater? For example, 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Denominator is same and numerator is 4 and 2. Now compare 4 is greater than 2. It means 4 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. Clear, students? Second is comparison of unlike fraction numbers. Unlike fractions. Same. Unlike fractions are those fractions if the denominator of two and more than two fraction numbers is different, then these fraction numbers are unlike fraction numbers. For example, we have 4 upon 5, sorry, 5 upon 4 and 5 upon 2. Now denominator is 4 and 2. Denominator is different. It means these fraction numbers are unlike fraction numbers. Now compare its denominator, numerator. Numerator is same. Denominator is different, but numerator is same. Yes, friends, when numerator is same, then our result is opposite. Now 5 upon 4 is greater than less than 5 upon 2. Now result is opposite. Then third type is if numerator and denominator both are different. If numerator and denominator both are different. For example, 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. Now compare these numbers. Now denominator is 5 and 6 and numerator is 4 upon 4 and 5. Both are different. Now how we can compare these two fraction numbers? For this, friends, first write first fraction 4 upon 5, then multiply it by 6, denominator of second fraction. 6 multiply 6, then 5 upon 6, second fraction number, then multiply numerator and denominator by first number's denominator, 5 upon 5. In simple words, 4 upon 5 multiplied by 6 and 6. 4 upon 5 multiplied by 6. Now, then write second fraction number 5 upon 6 multiplied by 5. Clear, students? Now multiply 6 4 are 24. 6 4 are 24. 6 5 are 30. 5 5 are 24. Yes, friends, you can see now numerator and denominator both are same. 6 multiplied by 4 24 and 6 multiplied by 30. 5 multiplied by 25 and 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. Now denominator of both two fraction numbers is same, 30 and 30. Now we can compare these fraction numbers. 24 is less than 25. So it means 4 upon 5 is less than 5 upon 6. Yes, friends. Next is now we'll consider one more example. 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. Now compare these two fraction numbers and find which fraction is greater. Yes, friends. Using same method, first we'll write the first fraction number. It is 5 upon 9 and multiply by 5. Multiply this numerator and denominator by 5. Then write second fraction number 4 upon 5 multiply by 9. 9. Clear, friends? Now solve it. 5 multiplied by 5 25 and 5 multiplied by 9 45. 9 multiplied by 4 36 and 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. Yes, friends, now you can see denominator is same, 45 and 45. Now we can compare these fraction numbers, 25 and 36. 25 is less than 36. It means 5 upon 9 is less than 4 upon 5. It means 4 upon 5 is greater. Clear, students? So students, today we'll discuss first point, comparison of fractions. Second, like and unlike fractions. Third, we'll discuss equivalent fractions. And fourth point, we'll discuss comparison of fraction numbers. Clear, students? So today your homework is complete the assignment given in your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.